Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Desk Fidget Toys Spinner Cube by Samilalago, an intriguing kinetic desk toy that has caught the attention of users worldwide. To give you the most accurate and comprehensive overview, we've gathered reviews from across the internet to share what people truly think about this product. If you own this item, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments to help others decide if it's right for them. Let's explore everything there is to know about this fascinating gadget. Starting with its design, the Spinner Cube is precision machined from metal and features high-quality bearings that enable smooth and quiet rotation. Users have consistently praised its durability and solid construction, noting that it feels heavy in the hand and has a satisfying heft. The cube measures just 1.2 inches on each side and weighs 3.4 ounces, making it compact enough to carry in your pocket while still offering a substantial feel during use. The addition of a silicone stand enhances its functionality by allowing users to place it on a flat surface for mesmerizing spins that last over 3 minutes. This feature transforms the cube from a simple fidget toy into an elegant desk accessory that doubles as a kinetic sculpture when stationary. Many reviewers have commented on how visually appealing it is, describing it as a small piece of abstract art that adds character to any workspace. Performance-wise, the Spinner Cube excels as both a fidget tool and a stress relief aid. Users have noted how easy it is to spin, whether held between fingers or placed on its silicone base. The smooth glide and extended spin time, averaging around 60 seconds, are standout features that make it enjoyable for both kids and adults alike. One user even mentioned how their 8-year-old child quickly adopted it as their favorite fidget toy, while another shared how their great-grandson loved it so much that even adults at the table couldn't resist spinning it during family gatherings. This speaks volumes about its universal appeal across age groups. Beyond its functionality as a fidget toy, the Spinner Cube serves as an effective tool for improving focus and alleviating stress during work or study sessions. Its quiet operation ensures that it won't disturb others in shared spaces, making it ideal for offices or classrooms. The tactile experience of spinning the cube combined with its soothing visual effect creates a calming activity that many users have found helpful for managing anxiety or staying focused on tasks. The cube's design also makes it easy to disassemble and reassemble, which adds an extra layer of interactivity for those who enjoy tinkering with their gadgets. The silicone base comes in various colors, such as marbled pink and blue, adding a touch of personalization to each unit. While most users have expressed satisfaction with its performance and build quality, there are some minor drawbacks worth mentioning. A few reviewers noted that the cube might not be suitable for very young children due to its small parts and weight, which could pose safety concerns if mishandled. Additionally, while the spinning mechanism is generally smooth, some users felt that achieving longer spin times required practice or specific techniques. However, these issues are relatively minor compared to the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users across different demographics. As a gift idea, the Spinner Cube shines brightly due to its unique combination of functionality and aesthetic appeal. It's an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, especially for individuals who appreciate creative ways to enhance focus or manage stress. Its versatility makes it suitable for kids, teens, and adults alike, a rare quality that sets it apart from many other fidget toys on the market. In conclusion, the Desk Fidget Toys Spinner Cube by Samilalago is more than just a fidget toy. It's a thoughtfully designed kinetic desk accessory that combines form and function in an elegant package. Its durable construction, smooth performance, and visually captivating spins make it a standout product in its category. Whether you're looking for a stress relief tool, a focus aid, or simply an eye-catching addition to your workspace, this Spinner Cube delivers on all fronts. If you're interested in purchasing this item or learning more about it, check out the link provided in the description to support our channel. And don't forget, if you already own this product, leave your review in the comments below to help others make an informed decision.